This project is creating a zero-waste future by understanding the regenerative design theories. According to a study by World Wildlife Fund, more than a third of Earth's natural resources had been destroyed by humans in just 30 years. Today, we need about 1.75 planets to provide the resources for our consumption and absorb our waste. By 2030, we will need 2 planets. However, we only have 1 planet. Regenerative design can change current conditions into more sustainable conditions by using system thinking and inductive logic. It advocates the interconnection between man and nature and the thought of entire system to create a living system that benefits both nature and mankind and develops together. It can respond and change the values and belief system from individual to society. The regenerative design aims to preserve degradation and negative environmental impacts rather than just slow them down. This is the ultimate driving force for the further sustainability. Zero waste is one of our goals to achieving sustainable living that can be designed through regenerative development. Zero waste refers to the protection of all resources by responsibly producing, consuming, reusing, and recycling products, packaging, and materials without burning and not discharging lands, water, or air that pose a fear to the environment and human health. This waste was causing a climate crisis, have a negative impact on wildlife and the nature environment, and cause harm to our health. Roy is realizing his vision for community gardening and rejuvenation. Let's grow disease urban gangster gardening into a school of nourishment and change, inspired by the ideas turning unused space such as parkway into fruitful endeavors. This garden and gathering place will be the community hub, where people learn about nutrition and join together to plant, work, and unwind. Kamikaze, a small Japanese village, set the standard for zero-waste architecture. The town has been committed to a zero-waste policy. Unneeded items are left in the shop for community exchange. Nearly 80% of the waste in the village is recycled. All the material in this building are recovered from other buildings in or around the town. The key ideas of our group is creating a zero-waste life. Our group will focus on changing people's living habits by designing educational websites or buildings to achieve the goal of zero waste. Our team member will analyze and give solutions from different perspectives individually. Through this effort, we hope to reduce the destruction of waste to our ecological environment and achieve the harmonious development of society and nature.
Hi, I'm Amy, and my individual project is create a roof rainwater collection and reuse system of the apartment on Gold Coast. This is a project that uses ecological infrastructure and sustainable design concepts to make full use of collected rainwater to transform high energy consuming residential buildings into green buildings. The collected rainwater has 2 main functions. One is to irrigate the greenhouse garden, and the other is to provide water for the ecological wall in the public area of the apartment. Considering the service life and aesthetics, choose high-quality materials that are durable and easy to repair. I will advance my project by studying classic cases. This is a precedent that I like. The Historical Center of Urban Housing in Germany has both the vertical garden and the rooftop greenhouse. The public can walk to the rooftop greenhouse through the vertical garden.
As an interior design major student, I have to integrate the themes of zero waste into the architecture. I have an idea plan to build a vegetable garden on the roof of the school. Green building is the trend of the sustainable building system in the future, and I choose to build it on the campus in the hope that the student can reduce food waste through the self-planting of the vegetables. And biodegradable food waste are used as the fertilizers to provide nutrients for newly grown vegetables so as to achieve zero waste. The site was chosen on the campus roof because the vegetable can get strong sunlight and rainwater, and add solar energy and stormwater storage facilities to ensure that energy can be recycled. This case located Israel above the Dizengoff shopping center. The farmer used a variety of the hydroponic system. The system does not require regular cleaning since the sun doesn't access the water beneath the plastic cover that hold the plants, and the constant flow of oxygen prevents rot.
Kitchen is the most important space in our family because it is the center of family daily life. Food can nourish our mind, body, and soul. Without it, we cannot survive. Eco-Kitchen can reduce your overall waste and help us save money and promote a healthy and sustainable lifestyle for our family. According to the regenerative design theories, nature and human are interdependent. It's part of our life. The Eco-Kitchen will interconnect humans with nature just like the president of the Zero Waste Brand and Restaurant, a space which is self-sufficient with providing food and cooking. This project will design a prototyping eco-kitchen which uses solar panels for power, indoor plants to provide organic food, and use wastewater to water plants. An eco-effective and energy-positive kitchen will be the first step towards a zero-waste life.
I will continue to develop the issue of food waste based on the topic of zero-waste life in our group. In fact, more than 50% of food waste occurs in our homes, and more than 95% of kitchen waste is concentrated in landfills. Share Waste app can connect people who wish to recycle their kitchen scraps with their neighbors who are already composting, which can help transfer waste from landfills. Therefore, based on the Sharing Waste app, my design concept is to provide a sharing platform for people with zero food waste through the app. Use the app to share excess food. I hope this app can be a behavior of people before going to the supermarket to buy food. To check whether there is any food you need nearby is sharing or sharing your excess food instead of buying and wasting.
Hello everyone, my name is Angie. According to the data on the image, obviously plastic waste is a big problem for our environment. My individual project is to achieve zero plastic waste, which is part of zero waste life. One example is Precious Plastic Universe. It is a recycling business which collects plastic waste and reuses them to make new products. It believes everyone can become a recycler. Above all, I plan to create a brand website focused on educate people on the harm of plastic waste to the environment and show them what type of plastic waste can be recycled. Also provide some correct ways, methods, and services to promote everyone join the team in the recycling. For my project, I will do some survey on people's understanding of plastic, and I will adjust my brand strategies based on this survey. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.